floating now.
All three of them. First they were over there, now they're over here.
Well, this is the closest we've been to them.
Ooh. Look at their tail. Uh-oh. It may be coming closer.
Look at the tail.
Oh!
What is that? Is that a flatulence?
Whoa.
Yeah, right now I'd say they're probably 55, 70 yards out. But as long as that's on their own accord.
There's the first one right there.
Mm.
That's a good one.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Very dinosaur.
Ooh.
Wow. Wow. We're getting some good views now.
Wow, that was nice. There we go. Yay!
Well, they're gonna be